The coral reefs are the oldest natural communities on Earth. Here, evolution works much more slowly than it does on the Galapagos. The endemic species that live here are the result of millions of years in a world that is cut off from the blue universe surrounding it. Ironically, this complex ecosystem is actually much more stable than others. There are variations here within each species, but the community itself remains the same. The reef acts as a barrier between two worlds. On one side is the open sea with its endless nutrients and great schools of fish. This is a dark, immense, uniform world. A world without limits that has earned itself the nickname, the Great Blue. The waters on the other side are poor in nutrients but rich in biodiversity. There are no huge schools of fish here, no great depths. Quantity gives way to variety. The species multiply just below the surface in a light-filled world where shapes and colors seem to know no limits. The majority of species living on the reef are endemic. Each one fills a specific niche and has specialized traits that allow it to exploit its tiny territory with next to no competition. A real success story for adaptation. But a risky success story nonetheless, because their unique traits make them extremely vulnerable when faced with even the slightest environmental change along the reef. In the world of coral, conditions are precarious and resources are so limited that in spite of an incredible variety of species, each one has only a few members.